Welcome to the DragonFire door handle adjustment video. In this video, we will show you all the functions as well as how to adjust the door handle in this unique product. You will start off by loosening the 3 inside pan head bolts using a 4mm Allen wrench. You want to make sure that you have some free play in the latch and that you can slide it up and down. Now slam the door shut. Give it a few wiggles to ensure that it's in the correct place and re-tighten using the 4mm wrench. Be sure to check the function by opening and closing the door. Now it's time to set the lash. Shut the door completely and give the handle a little wiggle. Start by loosening the vertical screw located in the handle using a 5/64 Allen wrench, followed by loosening or tightening the screw located inside the handle using a 5/64 Allen wrench. You will want to adjust the lash so that there is little to no wiggle within the handle. Once you have found the appropriate lash setting, re-tighten the vertical screw located at the top of the handle. Be sure to check the function of the door by opening and closing. Depressing the handle will open the door. You'll notice there's a locking lever located on the back side of the handle. Depressing this lever will ensure that the door will not open during use. Thank you for watching the door handle adjustment video.